12 top tips for successful interviews. Number 1, be smart, suited and booted. If you look good, you'll feel good. Dress for success. Number 2, keep good eye contact during the interview. Tip number 3, beware of your handshake. Not too firm, not too soft, and whatever you do, make sure your hand is dry. Tip number 4, make sure you sell yourself. You know all the great things about yourself. Make sure that the interviewer gets to hear about them. Tip number 5, always listen. Really concentrate on what the interviewer is saying or asking you so you can answer correctly. Tip number 6, be concise and clear in your answers. Don't waffle. Tip number 7, beware of your body language. Remember, 80% of communication is non-verbal. A smile says 1,000 words. Tip number 8, ask lots of questions. Prepare them in advance. Tip number 9, end with a smile and a handshake and ask the interviewer what will happen next. Tip number 10, punctuality. Don't be late. Check the location and the journey beforehand. You want to get there ideally 5 minutes beforehand. Tip number 11, prepare. Prepare before the interview. Find out about the company, find out what it does, find out what the role is, and try to think, if you were the employer, what would you be looking for? Finally, tip number 12, know your CV. Know what qualifications you've claimed, know what experience is on your CV, know the dates of your employment, and know the achievements and claims that you've made. Take these tips on board and good luck with the interview.